Hi friends, Govind this side, and in this video we will see how to install Apache Kafka in Windows 11. So to install Apache Kafka in Windows 11, first we need to download Apache Kafka from this URL. Okay, download link I give in description block, so you can copy from there. When you open this page, so here recommended version is 2.13, so you can click here and download Apache Kafka. So to save the time, I already downloaded this. Okay, so go to the download folder. Okay, so here Apache Kafka. Now type here cmd, and this is the pgz file, so we need to extract this file. So command is tar xvzdf, and you need to pass the file name. Okay, Apache what is the file name? Apache Kafka something. What is the file name? You need to check. Kafka. Okay, file name is Kafka. Okay, and we need to pass extension here .tgz. Okay, so extract it. Now copy the extracted folder. This is Kafka. Okay, I am copying this folder, and I will copy this into the software folder. Okay, you can keep anywhere you want. Okay, already I copied. Okay, so go to the inside folder. Okay, this is the path. You can copy this path. Okay, and go to the config. Inside config folder, there is a two properties file, zookeeper and server.properties file. Open zookeeper.properties file. Okay, inside there is a temp directory, so just remove this and paste this path. Make changes in slashes. Okay, so this is the path. Same path you copy and paste in server.properties file. Open server.properties file. Here your this time it changes here also. Okay, that's it. Now inside Kafka folder there is a bin. Inside bin there is a window folder. Okay, from here open terminal. Okay, so in this Windows folder all bat file is present. So from here we can directly run our required bat file. So first we run the zookeeper. First we need to start the zookeeper. Okay, so to run the zookeeper, file name is zookeeper.bat. Okay, which is present inside window folder. So we directly write zookeeper.server start.bat file. Okay, first argument is this, and second argument we need to pass the properties file, means zookeeper.properties file. So zookeeper.properties file present in config folder, so we need to go back. Okay, so again one step back. Here is a config folder. Inside config folder there is a zookeeper.properties file. Okay, press enter. Okay, it will take some time to start. Wait for some minute. Okay, here our zookeeper is started. Now go to same path again. Now we can start the Kafka. Okay, so to start the Kafka we need to run the Kafka server.bat file. Okay, so to run the Kafka server.bat file, just type Kafka server. server.bat file. Okay, and here we need to pass server.properties file. So server.properties file present in config folder, one directory back, again one directory back, and config folder, and inside config folder there is a server.properties file presenter. Okay, our Kafka also up and our Zookeeper also up. Now how to test whether Kafka and Zookeeper working properly or not? So let's create one topic, okay, by using Kafka. Means in Kafka we create the topic, producer create the topic, and consumer consume that topic. So we will learn in detail all these things. Just in this video we will check the Kafka installed properly or not. Okay, so okay, this is the command by which we can create the, there is a file bat file present inside the Windows folder. There is a file topic.bat file. Okay, topic.bat something Kafka topic.bat file. Okay, so we need to run this bat file. Okay, we need to pass the bootstrap server. Okay, and after that this is a topic name lunch. Okay, so lunchbox, this is the, you can give any name, lunchbox for example. This is a topic name, and partition replication. Okay, factor 1. Okay, what is this partition replication and factor? We will discuss in upcoming lecture. Okay, so in this lecture we just saw installation. So our Kafka properly installed or not, we can see by using this command. Means here we create the topic. If topic created successfully, it means everything is working fine. So press enter. Okay, here created topic lunchbox, means lunchbox topic is created. So now list out the topic. So just copy this command, okay, and type list, I think, okay, list. So lunchbox topic, this is our list. Create one more topic here and give name some other name. Job opening. Now list out. So there is two topic, job opening and lunchbox. Two topic we have created. Means whenever this job open, and here any in this topic if anything happen, so consumer get the notification like that. Means basically the biggest example of Kafka we can give when you subscribe any YouTube channel. Okay, so after that and click the bell icon. Okay, so whenever anyone upload the video in that channel, so you get the notification. So you are the consumer, you get the notification. So for event driven communication we use the Kafka. Okay, so in this way we can install the Kafka, and we can check whether Kafka is installed properly or not. In upcoming video we can talk more about this job topic and all these things, and after that we can implement this in our microservices and Spring Boot programming. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.